Good morning.
Welcome to the endless bull run. Thanks for tuning into this one. Now let's have some fun.
Sup, Encrypt. Sup, Mar. Whoops, I still have that on. Let's go. We're trying to get this set up, but
TTrades fractal in a neon grid. Swing high, swing low, that's the bitty bit.
there we go. Wasn't showing that it was live for a second. How y'all doing this morning? Really didn't get a trade in this morning. I have a couple things to go over. Try to get that a little bit better for mobile. There we go. Go over in a minute, but man, TradingView and Tradeify, we're having some issues today. What's up, MVP? How's it going? Man, yeah. So like, I had some weird ass slippage this morning. This was smooth. I was off doing other things. I have some contractors coming tomorrow to finish off my loft, my attic loft area. So I need to make sure some things are done for them. So I was doing that for a bit. I missed this move here, so then I have to go finish it after the stream. Like 15, 20 more minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. Should be done. Then that area will be done and finished. So it's added quite a bit of square feet to the house, so I'm liking it. Guys got any plans? Hey Don, how's it going? Guys got any plans going for this weekend? Man, this was smooth. Let's look at the 15-minute. Oh yeah. Came to this 4-hour wick. Thought it would sweep it. It did. Still thinking that this full 4-hour fair value gap is going to get filled at some point. But I don't think that point is now. We're just going to end up chopping this whole day, huh? Ride down. For those of you who missed it last night, was it last night? Man, all these days we did a nice fun back testing session of opening bell play. Had really good results, so I'd go back and watch that. It was pretty fun. Today's it would have failed. Go over what the strategy is so you guys can go back and watch the back testing session. Man, I'm moving along fast today. Everything's still playing. Here we go. So here is the open. I'll put a horizontal line here. There's open. Right there. Right, so at open, it would have failed today, but at open we wait for a direction to come. And the direction was down, obviously, so we wanted momentum down. And then the first green candle on the downward movement, so in the opposite direction candle. So the first reversal candle, we would go long. Stop below the bottom of that green candle, one to one, and it only got to 1.65. We would have failed that one today. We wanted to go to like right there. Would have failed today, but we had a 60% win rate on it with growing the account over the year from January till this week. We back tested it all and it grew the account by 140%. But today's would have failed, and that would have been fine. It would have been a 45 ticks. I meant 75 ticks. Would have been a little would have been a little loss, not a big one. But I didn't take it. I think I'm getting feedback that people would like to see some sort of journey series on forward testing that, and I think I'll do that. I'm thinking since they're like so quick at trades, I might do shorts with them every day, and then one weekly, like Friday, make a weekly recap of all of the trades as long form video. But I'm going to think about that this weekend and see. Pretty sure Nexgen will sponsor that series, so we can have some giveaways during it. Got to talk to them about that too. I think we have 3 giveaways going on next week. I got to go back and check. I think I still have 3 accounts to give away. Thanks to Orfna giving away 2 accounts on Wednesday here on the stream. That was nice of him. It was great having him on. Thanks, Encrypt. Glad you're enjoying it. There we go. Yeah, I like this layout too because I can remove this next gen banner, and then when I have more guests on that want to get on camera, I can put the camera above that. The next guest is going to be Wild Berries on, let me pull up my calendar, on the 2nd. The 2nd of September. Oh, I am hearing myself. I have it running on my phone so I can see comments, and that was playing. Sorry, guys. Sup, Psycho? How's it going? You get a trade in? I haven't looked at Discord. I know you're trying. Oh, I haven't sent my... Thanks, Encrypt. I haven't sent this out to anywhere. That'd help, right? You guys are on the ball, though. You guys are on the ball. Yeah, I was a little hesitant for trading today. Oh, this group's quiet today. I wonder what's going on here. It's never good when you're in a group that's pretty active and then it goes dead silent. I wonder if people got chopped the shit up. Okay, let's get it on X because I know I've got some peeps on X. What's up, Zeb? How's it going? MVP. MVP likes to start on the mobile and then come over to where all the cool kids hang out on the desktop. I'll pin that. There you go. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it was a chop fest buster, wasn't it? Came exactly to where I thought it was going. Oh yeah, I did get in. I got in, but I got in with one effing micro instead of one mini. So I closed it out for, I don't even know, like $5 profit. Oh my god, that was a pain in the ass. I should have just added to it now I've thought about it, but usually when I mess up like that, I just close out the trade and say whatever. It's screw this trade. I don't even remember where it was. I think it was, I can't remember where it was. Came right to that wick though, then bounce, now chop. It's going back up. This is choppy. It's all going to be choppy for the rest of the day. Hey, Pickle Rick, how's it going? Yeah, I'll buy eval fries. I'm gonna see if Tradeify will trade me 5 eval bucks for a large fry. Can I buy a large fry for $5? Are they still $5? Yeah, so I think I'm up $60 on this because I also, oh yeah, earlier today, this was fun. This was real effing fun. I can't remember where it was either, but I got into a trade. Let me go grab it. Let me go grab the image. So I got into a trade. And I'm like, how the F did it fill me there? The candle wasn't there, and it was 7 points. It wasn't like it was like a few. I'm used to slippage, right, and getting bad fills and whatnot, but it wasn't like a couple ticks. It was 7 friggin' points that I was down. Let me get this out of the way so we can. I was down 7 points. I'm glad that it didn't work out. I would have got out of this anyways because it started to reverse. It was a continuation. I got in at the close of that candle, and it filled me all the way down here. So I was like already in the trade negative $100 bucks. Almost $100. I was negative 100 right from when I pressed the sell button. And the candle never reached where it filled me. And the spread was only like one tick, not 7 points. Like, give me a break. Holy crap, it was crazy. So I didn't really trust any of my button pushing after that. And then I'm like, oh, I see a short. And then I sign on, and I forget that what I sign on, that it goes to the micros and not the minis. So not a good day. So I think I'm up $60. 67.58 on this eval. I was only gonna do evals today because Fridays are usually my worst days, and price action I didn't expect to be that great, and it was all right. It wasn't too bad. There's quite a bit of opportunity today. And Monday, I don't know if I will be streaming Monday because I will be on Tradeify TV at 1:30 on Monday. I'm going on as a guest with Ryan at the 1:30 time slot. So mark the old calendar. Come hang with Ryan and myself. Pretty excited about that. What are we looking at for a trade here? I think everyone's done trading for the day, aren't you? There's your highs here. We're gonna flip London low. That'd be nice, and then we're gonna go all the way back to London high. This Bustle went long again after off the 15-minute fair value gap, 2 micros. From here. VWAP is holding it down right now. Let's punch through VWAP. Do have this huge ass fair value gap here though. We could, oh fuck. You want me to trade some Bitcoin? I can trade some Bitcoin instead of this shit. Good idea. 1 second, let me pull it up. Did I put in the title that I'm trading NQ? Yeah, fuck. Oh well. Oh, I still have this freaking account going. This is my piece of shit Warbucks account that I tested. I said I was testing them, and I always forget to trade it, and I always hate it when I trade it. So Pickles at a long from 75,850. Nice. Let's see what you were looking at. I called it last night. I said we're heading to 78,000. Well, actually, let's pull up. Hold on. Let's pull it up. We'll show you how long we've been tracking this pump. We've been tracking this for a while. This is my do not delete anything ever. All of these lines were drawn out before they happened. This one was fun to watch because it was riding the entire line. Didn't get the bounce though. Then we flipped short here. Went to this fair value gap like we thought it was going to. Or no, it's the wick. Sorry, the wick of the day. And then started making an inverse head and shoulder. We thought it was going to come down a little more in August, and it did. So we were looking to see if it would break this, and it didn't. Then once we said it gets through this, it's going up to the deviations here off of these order blocks. And it has. Should actually pull this order block now, but it's going to get a little messy. So I'm just going to do it just to peek at it rather than take this whole thing. And I always pull it wrong first. Did I pull it right first? I pulled it right for the first time. Okay, so we have a 81 is the first two. So 81's on deck. Has all of these from a long time ago to get through. So 81's not off the table really, but if it closes above that and above all of this, that resistance lines there, we go to 3. 89 could be on the table, but it doesn't mean it's going to go straight up. Could come up here, do this, make another order block and go, right? Could do something like this. Right, or even deeper. Could even be deeper. And because we're leaving a lot behind here, right? So that's what I'm looking on a macro Bitcoin. And we drew this one out in July. Beginning of July. Middle of July, probably. Yeah, middle of July. It's somewhere on the live. We did this all live. Crypto does look like it's back. Let's take a look at everything else. ETH at 24. Sui's not even at a buck yet. Let's go. Deep is still deep red. Sol needs to start going. Fartcoin leading the way though. Pepe's going. And a whole bunch of other shit that I don't even remember why I have here. Oh yeah, I remember why. I spent $99 a month to track shit coins. Gold's doing good. Not bad. Everything's pumping. I think because they're starting to bail out these damn banks again. Nothing's catching my fancy right now. Put the old VWAP on this. Okay, so we'll watch NQ and we'll watch Bitcoin. NQ, I'm only interested in being in it for like 35 seconds, and I'm not even kidding. Let me try something. Let's see if this works. Let me try to... Oh, look at that. It did work. Look at that little chat box. We can see everybody. Cool. We'll start using that. Doesn't show up on mobile, though. That's weird. Cool. I'll start using that. You're all on TV. Don't embarrass yourselves. Feels like this, right? Feels like it wants to go a little something like this. But let's see if it wants to go to Asia, London High. What's up, Tris? How's it going? They're trying to convince me to trade Bitcoin today. This looks like it's topping too. Oh, is VWAP really that low? Why is my VWAP not showing? Oh, that's why, because it's way down there. It's a friggin' 76,000. No, so it should be showing. Why aren't you showing on my 1 minute? SOBs. Bus's long is cooking. Sounds like we need to have Mara on here sometime. Mara, you want to come on sometime? Or a serial killer. Oh, MVP's long's cooking too. Oh, sweet. He's working on his indicator as well. Mine, nothing is cooking. I wanted this down here, but I was not here for that. Man, I'm a little dusty from working up there. Asia high. It did the classic range runner. Asia low to Asia high. If I just came in a little bit earlier, we would have been in on this. London low now. Let's come test London low again. That's what I want to see. Let's go test London low. Hold this as support around here, and then go to London high. Yeah, no, crypto is a little oversold right now, you'd think, right? I'm an overbought. A little bit, right? Having it do this would crush everybody. These are way old lines from last time I traded. I can get rid of them. I love how it has massive historical data on this too. We can go all the way back to the way back past of 24. Dumb. Every time I trade Bitcoin, you guys are gonna hear me bitch about this platform because it sucks so bad. I don't know how you guys do it. DX Trader or GUI Trader. What's up, Wild? We're bouncing between Bitcoin and NQ today. I wanted to reject Asia High because I wanted to come back and test London and set me up a set, but it doesn't look like it wants to. Because I think we're going to range run this too from London low to London high. It already ran Asia high to, Asia low to Asia high. Yeah, she's gone. She's not coming back. Well, it's only 22 points. It's nothing that bad. Oh, these are tiny candles. I won't want to trade this. There you go, Busta. Gonna invert the 15-minute. That's not bad. Still on chop on Bitcoin. I don't even have a direction for Bitcoin right now. We're so extended. Busta just raking up the wins today. Wildberry's almost one of another free account. That's funny shit. 5-minute closing here. There you go, Encrypt. There, 35% activation sale going on right now. EBR 35 if you're on Nexgen, pass that Nexgen Eval. 35% off the activation fee. Oh, and free resets are still going on today too. So if you didn't use up all of your 5 resets, you have the remainder of the day to use the remainder of them. Code reset for that on Nexgen. Congratulations, Encrypt. Now take it to a payout. And it's 5 per user, not per account. So you only get 5 total. Well, I missed this move all the way. There was no pullback for me. She's just gone. Really had to get in right here, but I thought we were too close to London low. I wanted to come up and then didn't retrace. Me either, so Psycho Bear. Man, we could have technically taken it there, but like I said, I want to see it punch up higher. I want to see it take out these highs, come back, retest, and go. Thought it was a little... Oh, it's only eval. It's kind of... I don't know. I didn't get my fill yet today. Probably pricing it in now. Pickle. Well, target definitely acquired. I should have just stayed at the trading desk until this all happened and then did the work I needed to do. Oh well. Yeah, it just did flip the whole morning move. Right here's 9:30. At least real trading hours, real time trading hours. Well, I was going to invert the 1 hour too. Need to get going. Needs to close above London high. Inside trading candle day. Yay, that's always fun. Okay. Kind of want a long here. Doesn't look the best. See if this candle can start to close up a little bit. Have fun, MVP. Take care. Have a good weekend. I might have to put my scalping hat on next week. We'll see how she goes. I'm trying not to scalp this month though, and I've been failing because it's scalping weather. But I've been holding back. Only have like 2 trades on my freaking self-funded. 2 or 3. Won them all. Nothing to write home about though. And I have a few trades on... I had one bad day on one of my funded Nexgen accounts. Had a bad day on that. Tilted a little, but stopped before I blew up my account. So that's a win for me. Made back some of it. Then I'm up pretty good on some other of the fundeds. Only damaged 1, so that was good. I know we got whatever it is, the Cabal meeting on in Jackson Hole, right? Okay, so it doesn't want to close up, so no, I wanted to see this some upward movement at the end of this candle, and I didn't get it. Actually, you know what would be fun? Let's do this. Let me see if I can find the old dates. Jackson Hole. Historical dates. Oh, Jackson Hole, shit. Oh, it's going to tell me about Jackson Hole. I was going to go back and look at RX replay and look at how the action looked during historical Jackson Hole days. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try to do that for Sunday night. We'll do another backtesting Sunday night. I'll see if I can find the dates. Actually, ChatGPT. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out. We'll do a backtest on it, see how real bad it really is. Because people always say it's bad, but I remember a few years that it was good. So it could just be bad memory too. But here I would say it's historically bad, but I've never seen anyone show me the data for it. So let's go look at the data on Sunday. But I mean, a bunch of people are going to check it out and create. Well, we missed the move that we wanted. I wanted London low to London high. It just went straight up. Now I really don't know. It's going to pull back, obviously. It's been pretty extended. Oh, yeah, I get it now. If you said it was a joke, now I get it. I took it way too seriously. I thought somebody was going to try to infiltrate and try to see what was going on inside. I'm like, oh, I'm interested in that. But you meant that they're just going to go check out Jackson's Hole. Yeah, Jackson's Hole is being infiltrated by all sides. I'm going to go deep into the rabbit hole of Jackson Hole. See what they can dig out. We're waiting for a setup to come up. So I keep coming back and forth. Bitcoin's not doing what I wanted, so it's coming down a little bit further than I wanted. It's probably going to come back down to VWAP now then. But she's been spicy. Yeah, it looks like it wants to come down. New hour and 12 minutes. Biggest thing I hate about like DX Trader and the crypto platforms is that I can't have my own indicators. I would really like my own indicators, please. guess I could have went short here. That would have been... We knew it was pulling back. I guess I should have went short. That's how focused I am right now on trading. It's not focused enough. We could have done a short here. Yeah, whatever. A 154-minute fair value gap. I'm just kidding. I was going to put a 154-minute candle. I know what you meant, Busta. I know what you meant. Inverted this one, right? Wants to make this one. So do we come up here, do a little thing like this, make just pop this a little? Oh, freaking! Turning off the freaking magnet so it won't stick to stuff. Come up here, pop a little bit, make a candle 2, and keep on going. Or are we just gonna keep on going straight? I'm gonna start taking chat trades here in a second. Someone to go short or long, and I'll just go. Continuation, no pullback. Let's pull back at some point. Look at this. Look at that. That's kind of crazy. Now I gotta put that back on. Almost exactly. I'm gonna study that for when it inverts. Does it hold? Does the top of the previous inverted one hold the top of that one? Where's the 1/3 ADR at? Doesn't line up with this right here. $44. $4.88. Oh yeah, okay then yeah, it's right there. Have a good one, Chaos. See you in Discord. I don't know how long I'm streaming for today either because I'm not really interested in trading on a Friday afternoon. But if something's coming up, I'm gonna take it. I'm just not that interested. Missed the trades I should have taken today, doing some other stuff. And then the trades I got in today were just all messed up with Tradeify lagging or TradingView, one or the other. Saw some other people complaining about it in another Discord that they were getting like crazy ass fills. My first trade of the day, my fill was 7 points off of where I entered. And the candle that I was on didn't ever touch where it said I entered. Explain that one to me. Because the spread was only like 0.5 to 1. It wasn't friggin' 7 points. Yeah, Bus is looking at short. That's what I'm saying. Right there. It's going to make a candle 2, come down here, maybe continue up. You know what? I'll get in on a short with you too. Let's see. I don't want to be that big because I'm not going to scalp it. So I'll go to micros here. I don't even know how many. Let's do 3. Let's see what that does. Looking for a change in state of delivery in the 1. Oh, change the state would be all the way down here. I don't want it to do that. So I'm going to have to wait for candle 3. I could be super aggressive. Could have been super aggressive. Shit. A little late. So wait for a candle 3. Where would we want to see it go to? I can't even tell you how perfect that's playing. No, what candle 5 minute? Oh, this one right here. And I'm trying to wait for a I'm trying to do my setup. Technically, I probably could have came in on here, but I'm trying to wait for a change in the state of delivery on the 1 minute and be a little more disciplined than I have been lately. Because I'd rather lose my setup than taking the setup and having it fail. Even if this one plays out. Oh, you're just going to here though. You're going down to 431. That's where Bus's target is 431-ish, I think. So it would have been. Oh yeah, it would have been a good trade right there. Come back up. No offense, Busted, but I wanted to come back up a little bit. Want to see the next hourly candle come up here and then shoot down. Something along that line. See, what's wrong with my brain that I didn't take this trade? That's what I've been doing lately to myself. Like, we drew it out. Like, how much more perfect could we have drawn that out? I want the candle 3 to come. And do a fair value gap here. This is actually effing perfect. I should have just jumped in. So now I'm looking for this next 15-minute candle to trade up to make the wick, and then I'll get in on the trade down. It's going to be a little bit of a higher risk one because it's going into that fair value gap where it could reverse and bounce out like that. But I'm okay with that. I'm going to take it on micro so I can take the risk down. Because I don't want a big loss today at the end of the week. I mean, I'm up 900 on this account. I want to Keep grinding it up. Yeah, 971 on this account. I want to just keep grinding it up. So I do have 3 giveaways coming out next week. I don't know how I'm going to do them yet, though. Oh, here's a new 1 hour. Oh, Bitcoin didn't bounce where we wanted it to. %, mark would be here, so we really don't want it to come up that high. We want it more like this. Maybe pop that. Pop the 50%. Have fun on the work call, Encrypt. Oh, it's not even going to come back up for me. I don't want to take a continuation on this one because I don't think it's going to go very deep. There you go, Busta. Busta got that trade in. If it dips into the fair value gap first, which is right that line there, I'm not gonna even bother. I gotta do what the other streamers do and throw my computer out the window if this doesn't happen. 1,000 views. It's like watching paint dry. Oh yeah, I hate that fucking. I hate this system. I wanted a short here, but I forget that it's just a piece of shit. Okay, fuck it. I hate this system with a passion. Sorry, Pickle Rick. I'm not going to take a Bitcoin trade because I hate the platform so bad. I'm tired of it. It triggers me every time I look at it. I hate that system so bad. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. But I wanted to see. I was going to take a quick one down to the fair value gap, but now I'm not liking it because it's already come down too far. I needed to come up here and then back down. I'm with you on that one. Busta says it goes down a bit and then finishes the day at 29,518. I'm on that with you because I'm thinking I was going to take this trade down into this fair value gap. This fair value gap will then switch out and come back up. So now I'm just going to wait for that one to come back up now. I'm with you with that. What's happened to the fair value gap though? Just been going straight to targets with no pullback, just straight to targets. See, that's what we're thinking. So far it's riding it pretty good. I don't know if it's going to get this deep, but it can. Because that's the equilibrium of the previous 4-hour candle. Yeah, this has been nice price action. I should have stayed. I left after the open, like I said, to go do some work on the house, but it was only eval anyways. I wasn't putting any risk on today on a Friday. Fridays are my worst days. So this is the first Friday that I decided I'm only doing evals, and I've stuck to it. I haven't even opened up my self-funded in a while, actually, and didn't open up my next-gen fully funded ones. So that's what we're looking at, but I'm going to take it on. I marked it up on minis, but I want to take them on micros so I can take partial size because I don't, like I said, I don't want a big fucking loss. So I'm not going to put much risk on. There we go. We're into the fair value gap now. Let's start riding this out. Let's do 5 minute. Okay, so we might not ride it out for 10 minutes. So let's see how it's going to create a swing on this 5 minute too. Yeah, they're going to go up now. It's going to create a swing on this 5 minute. Oh, I could risk it on the 5 minute. I never do this, so I'll try it. Why not? Still got a bit of time though in this 5 minute. We just entered it. Got 3.5 minutes on this 5 minute. Let's see how this this is 5 minute and 1 hour. See how the 1 hour is creating its tail right now? It's keeping above the equilibrium of the previous 1 hour. You can dip down into it, like I said, but then it can rally back out. But it's holding pretty tight right here. I'll take a stab. It's something I don't normally do. I never play the 5 minute really at all, but this price action isn't moving that much. It's Friday afternoon at lunchtime. So I'll try it. The risk won't be much if we stay somewhere in here. It'll be like $75 risk, and that's fine with me for today. But I'm gonna ride it though. I'm gonna ride it for a while. See if we can go up. If I like the close of this candle, that is. Still got 2 minutes left on it. Let's see what the 1 minute's doing. Going a bit deeper into it. I should just pull that 15 minute so I know where it is. Going into a 50 minute. $50-minute green. Some good consolidation happening right here. I didn't want to look at what the daily candle looks like right now because that will just make me walk away forever. Psycho, you trading or you just tape reading? Oh, this music is banger. From Offna. Go follow him. Link is in the description. Good trader too. Make some killer music for the stream. Psycho is done for the week. Another crusher week for him. Y'all have to teach me how to trade pre-market and where is the draw on liquidity and stuff. I'm struggling. I can't figure out pre-market for some reason. There we go. I like that. Not for the way the 5 minutes is going to close though. Now I think the next 5 minutes is going to make the swing low. That's too aggressive at the end. Maybe we don't go up from here. Maybe we just railroad all these fair value gaps over and over again. If that's the case, then I'm tipping my hat to NQ and gonna go touch some grass. It's beautiful out. Yeah, day may be cooked. It's not bouncing here. We gotta start bouncing here. Or it's just gonna whatever. I didn't get a good trade in today. Yeah, I'll do that later tonight, that's for sure. Might not be a bad idea. I know it'll be a bad idea. I have a very important meeting at 4 o'clock. Almost forgot about that. I should put a reminder on my damn phone. Shit. After that, though, that is definitely a good idea. Although the meeting is with a friend also, but it's about business. You'd find it funny. Yeah. This would be the turning area. I don't like how this 5 minute closed. So now I'm thinking that this next 5 minute candle will be hopefully the candle 2. We were hoping that this was going to stay above the equilibrium there. But like I said, it could poke down, then come up. We're still in this fair value gap. Three minutes left on the candle, though. Damn it all. At least we all have the same bias. That's usually good. Usually when you all have the same bias, it's right. That's not a good reaction. Come on, little green candle. You can do it. One's a little messy, obviously, because it's consolidated on that 5. To do some math. Okay, we can do that risk. I'm going to take it on the old eval once this candle closes. I want to see how this candle closes though. It's been doing this at the end of the 5 minutes. That's why I'm waiting. I want to see some conviction. Yeah, I'm just not liking this at all. Oh, the 15 minutes closing too. I'm waiting. If that was just a 5, I was going to take it. Nope. I'm glad I remembered that the 15 was closing. Because that 15's ugly as hell. Yep, it lost a 50% of the 15-minute fair value gap there. It closed ugly as hell. And then for me, I'm always looking at wood candle 2s, right? That's definitely not a candle 2, so I'm not expecting any friggin' reversal on this 15-minute. And it would have to railroad the entire 15-minute for me to be right. So forget that. So now I want to see this 15-minute candle come. Oh, hi. Shepard's talking to me behind there. She wants to go play. I want to see it take out this, create the swing here. And that's how I play it. I don't care if it railroads here because it's not a good setup for me. So being rude is good for the longs though. I don't know where your guys' stops are, but that came close. That came close. Would have came close to taking me out if I jumped in. I just don't have any faith in this move up. Psycho Bear, were you did you trade? You said you were done. See, this looks better now that it changed the structure, but I still don't believe it. So in order for my setup to come, I'd have to wait another. I have to wait till quarter off. So with that being said, I think I'm going to call it here for the stream. A little short stream today. We missed our entry going from the London range runner. It just went straight from the London low to London high. And did not do what we wanted it to do for me to get in. Stuck with my rules and didn't chase it. It just went straight up. I wanted to see it come down and back up. But we didn't get that. We are getting this though right now. But I'm not going to wait for it. No, VWAP's way down here. In any case, let's see. I have 3 giveaways next week. I'll be on Tradeify TV on Monday at 1:30. So like and subscribe. I'll see the rest of you on Discord or on Twitter. Have a safe and fun weekend. Touch some grass and relax. Appreciate y'all. Peace.